how you can make money in 2025. Don't stay at home and sleep, or don't just go for job and come back, receiving salary, and you find out that costs of things and the prices of things is increasing every day, and you don't even do anything about it, or you have been doing research how to make money online, and you come to YouTube and see many videos and you look so confused. Which one should I do, or which one should I not do? Maybe after trying for some days you feel tired and you leave it and let go. Yes, I want to show you in a very lazy way you can make money. You can make $10 every blessed day. This ones, I don't say you should go and invest. You are not going to invest. $10 every day on your Telegram app. When I says on your Telegram app, I mean it. You can make $10 every blessed day on your Telegram app. It may not be able to build you a house as fast as that, but it can also help you to pay some bills. You and I know that the prices of things in the world now, in the whole world, is so high. Whether you are living in Africa or you are living outside Africa, the prices of things are very high. Don't forget also to subscribe to the video, but because this will help you to get you updated whenever I post more video about making of money. I am fully ready this year to share with you how to make money online. Let's go to our Telegram. After clicking on the link, it will bring you to a place like this where you see start. Click on the start button. When you click on the start button, it will bring you to a place like this where you can be able to get started. Then click on start. Then click on the start button over here where you see. Click on it. Then when you click on the start button, it will bring you direct to this platform like this, exactly place like this. So what you need to do is for you to scroll down and check whatever information they have that make this particular platform or this token work. So click on the cancel button, then it will help you to cancel it. Then actually when you click on it, it can sometimes bring you to a message player. So click on cancel again. Then here you can start mining. So you can see the mining button. Click on the mining button. This is where you can be able to start mining for free. You mine for free. So when you click on it, you can see you start counting. You start counting up, like start generating money for you for free. And where we are is actually where you see my home place. Then this is me. When you click on me, you see where you can actually put your security password, login password, and other things, white paper, and many things like this. So you can actually invite more people from here to join you. So the numbers of people you invite actually display here. Yes, whether they are in level 1, level 2, or even in level 3. So you will actually display here after when you invite people, where you see team. That's where you actually should in that particular team. So when you also come down, you see where they say upgrade. So click on the upgrade, it will bring you here. This is where you can actually upgrade your account for free or by paying. But I advise you to go for free. Here, this free, you can actually upgrade it. But if you wish to, that is your own risk. You can actually upgrade it with just from $12 upward. So you can actually do well to go through this the announcement. Yes, you can do well to go through it. So when you come here, this is where you find tax. When you check down there, you see where they say tax. When you click on the tax, you can see where you can follow their channel and they give you some free coin. Then you just do well to follow the channel. Click on join to join this their channel. So after joining, click on this their boat again on the trunk. Then it bring you here. Click confirm to claim your free coin. Yes, after doing the task, always do well to click and confirm it. Then on your daily login, after when you log in every day, do well to click in to collect your free coin. Click on confirm again to get your free coin. Yes, it's very important because it's free, so you don't need to pay any money to do this. You can actually do this and generate a good amount of money for yourself. This is other tasks you can do by sharing it. When you share this to groups, then you can actually get the screenshot of it, upload here, then click on submit. Then they will be able to pay you for your task. It's very important. You can do well to invite your friends, do other tasks day by day. Don't forget, you need to always come back and mine after 24 hours. Yes, you need to always come back here to mine after 24 hours. Do well to click on this join again, then you click confirm to claim your free coin. Then let's talk about something also very important that will be able to make you more money, generate more money here. Then when you come over, you see like luck draw. Click on the luck draw. This is where you can actually try your luck, whatever you win, and you claim on it. So you can actually click on it, it start rotating. Then whatever you see here is your luck, and you actually cash it. Yes, you cash. You can see it has already been congratulated to you, which means you can invite more friends here for you to always throw this to get more money. More coins here. Invite many friends as you like. And also, for those who also take their risks to recharge, you can also get free link to actually through your luck draw. Yes, it's very important because you make more money day by day. Then when you come on me again, you can see where to recharge, withdraw, and also where you can actually convert your coin to dollar, to USDT. Then when you click, you can actually click the numbers of USDT that you have there, and you can see it's at least, you have to get to at least up to 0.01 for you to actually convert it. So here you can convert it, your coin to dollar. You can, when you come to leadership here, to leadership bot, you can see many people that have been making money on this site. You don't forget the link to this particular site is on the description box, or check on the comment section. You can be able to find the link. Click on it to get registered and get started. Start making money massively. Don't forget to follow me.